Students, today we will discuss about the another property of living organism, that living organism show excretion. Better living organism show excretion. Question: what is excretion? Excretion is the process of removal of waste material from outside the body. Better removal of waste material outside the body. It means beta all living organism need food. We also eat food for getting energy and for various life activities. But the food that we eat or other organism eat cannot consume completely. Only few part of that food is consumed by body to get energy. And what will happen with remaining food? That remaining food will be stored in our body as waste material. If this waste material completely stored in our body, it will be converted into poison, or maybe we can die by the accumulation of this waste material. So body try to remove out this waste material from the body outside, either in the form of feces or in the form of urine, also in the form of perspiration. Beta, in summer days we drink lot of water, and that water consumed by body is only 50%. Other remaining 50% water will be removed out with some harmful minerals present in our body or accumulate in body, either in the form of perspiration, sweat, or in the form of urine. Clear? And that we eat like carbohydrate, fat, protein, chapati, rice, pulses, or some other fruits material. The solid material, solid waste material that will be accumulated in our digestive system is removed out in the form of solid waste material, that is in the form of feces. This process is known as excretion. So excretion is the process of getting rid of waste by living organism. That means living organism will remove all the waste. That process is known as excretion. Now our question: do all organisms show excretion? Answer is yes. All living organisms, either plants, animals, birds, human being, all living organisms, they show some excretion. They show excretion. Beta, in case of bird, they will excrete out their waste material in the form of semi-solid paste. That paste consists of two parts, white part as well as black part. Black part consists of lot of uric acid that will be used as manure in our fields. Clear? Human being, two type of, in the form of feces or in the form of urine. So all organisms, either plants or animals, all organisms show excretion, but excretion is quite different in plants. Beta, in case of animal, either the small animal or larger animal, or either the birds or human beings, each and every animal show excretion because waste material, if accumulate in body, that will act as poison. It may harm the animal body. But in case of plants, the waste material according to plants is not harmful for the plant body. Plant store this waste material in their body part and secrete at the time of secretion. Beta, excess of food that will be formed by plant but not consume itself, it will excrete out in the form of fruits and vegetables. Some plants secrete resin, Some plants secrete resin from their stem. Best one example, rubber plant. When we make a cut on the rubber plant, it will secrete a liquid secretion. We will store this liquid secretion and processed, and we use this secretion in the form of rubber. Then this plant is known as rubber plant. बेटा आपने गोंद सुना होगा घर में, गर्म अब सर्दियाँ आ रही है तो विंटर्स में मम्मा गोंद के लड्डू बना भी देते हैं. दैट गोंद इज आल्सो द सिक्रीशन फ्रॉम द प्लांट्स. Clear? All living organisms need food, but all the food is not completely consumed by that animal or organism. So what will happen with the rest of the food, undigested food? Better, this undigested food is removed from the body as waste. The undigested food is removed body as the waste. This process is known as excretion. So excretion may be defined as the process of getting rid of waste material by the living organism is known as excretion. It is the definition of excretion. Now the plants have quite different method of excretion. Beta, in case of plant, mechanism is quite different. Beta, in case of plants, some plants store the waste material within the body part and they are not harmful for the plant. Waste material from the plant is not harmful for the plant, but waste material in animals, including birds or human being, is very harmful if stored within the animal body. Some plants remove waste product as their secretion. The excretion is another common characteristics of all living organisms. That means either the plants or animals, all the living organisms show excretion. Now another topic, that is, do all living organisms reproduce their own kind? That process is known as reproduction. In another word, we can say all living organisms show their reproduction. That means all living organisms produce their young ones for future life on the earth. Clear? Answer, yes. All living organisms, either plants or animals or human beings or birds, produce their own kind. Own kind means on their child. Own kind means their, beta, own kind means their child, their young ones. But method of respiration is quite different in different animals or in plants also. Method is different from different animal or from different plants. Beta, some of the animal produce birth to their young ones. Means our mother father after reproduction give birth to child. That means they give reproduction, they give birth to their child. But some of the animals lay egg for young ones. For example, hen. Beta, snake, hen, say snake, sparrow, parrot, all these animals, even though crocodile also produce egg for the birth of their child. Some of the animal give birth to their child, just like human being, cow, dog, etc. But some of the animals lay or produce eggs for their young ones. Example, all birds, snake, whale, etc. Now, we will say All living organisms, either plants or animals, produce their young ones. But method of reproduction is quite different in plants, animal to animal, beta in animal to animal, or in plants to plants. In case of plants, many plants produce their seeds. Many plants produce their seeds. These seeds get germinated. Germination start. Radical part or root part will start to move out. After germination start. Then complete germinated seed, because stem part also produced by that seed. Then from this germinated seed we get baby plant. Leaves are start and roots are start to be grow downward, stem on upward, and leaves grow on the stem. It is the baby plant. And for proper growth, after proper growth, this baby plant will be changed into new plant. This baby plant will be changed into new plant. It is the method of reproduction in plants, in those plants which produce seeds. You will say, which type of plant? Beta mango. When we eat the mango fruit, one hard part present inside that mango fruit, what will happen? We will thrown away. If it will be thrown in the soil, what happen? Beta, it will germinate. After germination, baby plant is formed, and after 5, 6, 7 years, it will grow as new tree, and will produce another mangoes, many mangoes. It is the way of reproduction in those plants which produce seed. Seed get germinated. After germination, grow as baby plant, and baby plant will be changed into proper plant, either the tree or smaller plant. And in some plants, beta, body parts grow as new plants. You know very well example of one plant, that is rose. You and me don't see any seed of rose. When we want to grow rose in our home, what happen? We will cut the stem of rose, cut one stem of rose of this much height in this way. It is the stem of rose in this way, slanting on above side and same slanting on lower side, and will be sow into our vase or in the garden. After a few days, leaves are coming, plants start to grow, and after that grow, it will produce flowers. That means from this part, it is known as cutting. From cutting of the stem, we will grow new plant. Beta, in rainy season, we have a ornamental plant, bryophyllum. Leaves are thick. When you see, beta, these leaves are like this. Like this. In the rainy season, maybe you identify new plant will be grow at the notches, at the grooves, at this place. Our mama papa will cut this from here and grow into another soil. They will grow as new plant. That means leaf also act as reproductive part of the plant. Clear? So in some plants, their baby part, their body part grow as the new plant. So reproduction is also another characteristic of all living organisms. Thank you.